Gabby. It's so nice to see you.
I know, it's been a minute.
I'm happy to see you here with your 1999 C5 Corvette. What have you done to this build? What are you most excited about?
So it's actually mostly stock. I bought it a while ago and it wasn't running. I got the invite to come here to drive it at the burn yard super last minute, like 3 weeks before SEMA. So I just had to fix it really quick, throttle body, some coolant lines, and threw on an angle kit. It's an FDF mild Mantis kit, so it gives me a little bit more steering angle. And wheels and tires, that's really it. And some seats, some status seats, so I'm comfy while I'm shredding. But, you know, this is gonna be the competition drift car that I'm gonna be building. I'm really excited for it.
What is it like? I mean, you're this badass lady out here. Do you feel intimidated? Do you feel like, how do you feel going out here?
I mean, when I first started, yeah, it's crazy intimidating because people right out the gate, they don't think you know anything. But I've been in this industry so long, I don't really see myself as a female or a woman. I just am a driver. I'm a builder, I'm a driver, and taught myself, and now my cars and my driving speak for me, and people respect me for it, that I'm out here and making it happen.
You are. You're making it happen, and you're inspiring so many other little girls out there who like want to get into it and get into the space and do their own builds. And if they see someone who is doing something that they really want to do, like, and they know that it's possible, you're just a badass. So
I'm just trying to be the person that I needed when I was young and that I needed when I was first getting into this. And I hope that I just want to lead by example, that you can do whatever you want, no matter what you look like, where you come from, how much money you have.
I love that.
I saw you just got a Corvette, so soon I'll bring my Corvette down. We can do Corvette things.
Teach me all of the things.
Throttle. You got it.
Love it.
That's all I've learned so far.
That's my first lesson, first of many. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's always good to see you, and thanks for having me in your video, and I'll see y'all on the internet.